The IDF, guided by the intelligence division, successfully targeted members of Hamas Nakba unit implicated in the October 7 attack. Key figures eliminated include Ahmed Musa, Nakba unit commander, and Omar Al-Handi, commander of a terror platoon in western Jabalia. Simultaneously, IDF reservists from the 252nd Division thwarted an impending attack by the targeting 19 Hamas terrorists. The IDF conducted airstrikes on Hezbollah targets in Lebanon, targeting terrorist infrastructure, military posts, weapon depots, and intelligence facilities. The military's capture of crucial Hamas outposts in Gaza City resulted in the deaths of approximately 150 terrorists amid ongoing intense clashes between the IDF and armed gunmen in and around Gaza City. The 401st Brigade conducted a targeted assault on the battered outpost identified as the primary outpost of Hamas Al-Shati refugee camp battalion. The operation aimed at eliminating military headquarters and rocket launch sites. The 401st Armored Brigade Combat Reconnaissance Unit discovered and neutralized a container on the beach containing approximately 20 rocket launchers. In a separate incident during a paratrooper-led brigade-level assault in the Sheikh Ejalin neighborhood, a rocket launcher was found near residential buildings, highlighting Hamas' practice of concealing weapons among civilians. All identified weapons were either destroyed or confiscated by IDF forces. The IDF has issued an evacuation order for Shifa Hospital in Gaza City, suspecting that Hamas has established a key command center beneath the compound. An explosion occurred on Friday as Israeli forces approached, with the responsible party remaining unclear. The hospital, which has housed between 50,000 and 60,000 people, including 2,500 patients, is part of the intensifying conflict that has led to thousands fleeing northern Gaza. The Palestinian death toll exceeding 11,000 is a grim reality, and the health system in Gaza, already strained, is describing as being on its knees by the head of the World Health Organization, with half of the territory's hospitals no longer functioning. As the search for safety in Gaza becomes more desperate amid escalating combat, residents fleeing to the south face challenges. Strikes in and around Gaza City's main hospital, reported by Palestinian health officials, add to the grim picture. The Hamas-run health ministry's claim of over 11,000 casualties since the war's outset on October 7, including both civilians and terror operatives, is a distressing situation that is challenging to independently verify. The head of the World Health Organization, Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus, has highlighted the dire conditions in Gaza's health system, emphasizing overcrowded hospital corridors, overflowing morgues, and the challenges of providing life-saving care amidst the ongoing conflict.